Today I'd like to demonstrate how to add a new part and create a bill of material. And in our dummy company, Apex Manufacturing, the scenario is our one and only customer, Mike's Custom Bicycle Shop, has had some demand for the current wheel assembly that we make, but there are customers who'd like to buy it without the tire and choose their own thereafter. And so he has issued a new part number, same base part number as we currently make, but now instead of a -1, it's going to be a -2. Rev level is A, which is the default in the company settings as I previously demonstrated. Also part type PA, part unit of measure each, and the description will be the same, which is a wheel assembly. Hit the add key. And to create this part, the only other thing we have to do right now is just make sure we get the make or buy correct, because the default setting, as I've previously demonstrated, is for a buy. This will be, of course, a make, as is our current assembly. And now I can just hit update. And so here we have the new part master for the WH1001-2 wheel assembly. And if we move over here, we can hit the plus button for the bill of material, and yes, we do. And now we're into the screen where we can add the new bill of material. Now I'd like to point out that there are some nice features available down here to add based on a batch add from existing BOM, which we could certainly do in this case because we have a BOM that's almost identical, as well as adding an item from an existing BOM. But I'm going to go just the long way here just to demonstrate how you typically would add a new part that has no other equivalent or close to being an equivalent in the system. And so we go in here now and we choose the parts individually. And we choose how many are required per assembly. The quantity is 1 axle. Okay. Add another item. Item 2. Then we'll go just down the order. We're choosing the nuts. Same nuts. 2 per assembly. And we could quickly go down. The rim is 1. Spokes are at 25. And that completes the assembly because, as already mentioned, there will not be a tire on this version of the wheel assembly. And all we have to do now is go down here and click Update. And we have created our new bill of material. Not yet approved, but I can go ahead and say Approve. Yes. And now we have an approved bill of material. Parent view. Or tree view, I should say, with the parent, and our list view. And now back on the part master itself for the -2, we can see that we have the bill of material active. And I want to just make a note that to the extent we would include an outsourcing operation the same as we have in the -1, we would first just create, or have to create, I should say, a part number which is type outsourcing with its own part master for that operation, and then we would go ahead and add that to the bill of material here for the -2. And I think that concludes this demonstration for adding a part and then a bill of material for that part. Thanks for watching.